Okay, here we have a barrel type tumbler. It's a Hammond Roto-Finish. Has a timer for how long you're going to run it. Has a program here for how fast you're going to run it. And a bunch of buttons here. We're going to start the process. When I hit this button, we're going to feed, or we're going to tumble for 20 seconds up to the RPM. Now inside here, this is going around and around, and your parts will be tumbling. When the cycle is over, it'll stop. You have to wait for the RPMs to go down to 0. And then you can open this. So inside you have 4 baskets. Each basket has its own individual a lot of safety stuff on here. You lift your barrel out, pull this eccentric pin over, you take your top out and you dump your stuff out. In here you put your corn cob media, your ceramic media, your steel shot media, whatever it is you're using, put it back in here, put your parts in there along with it, put a certain amount of liquid solution or a type of soap that they use. Lock this down again, put it back in the basket, put this back in, and tighten down your center screw. Want to make sure that this is good and tight, otherwise it's going to go flopping around. Again, you can go through each basket the same way till you have them all unloaded or filled. Then you close your door here and you can go ahead and do another cycle. You need to put your time in there, and you're going again. So that's it. That's the Roto-Finish tumbler, barrel type tumbler. Thank you very much.